Hi guys, welcome to another instructional video by Josh Carter. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to add an event to your Google Calendar. Keep in mind that Google Calendar is pretty much the same on any device that you use, so this should apply to more than just tablets, which is what I'm using here today. So the first thing you want to do is locate your Google Calendar app, if you will. So it's either in your menu, if you click on the menu button. So there's one right there on the left, or I've chosen to add the widget to my home screen, and that's definitely something that you can do, and you can actually learn how to do that in a different video. So now that we've found the calendar, the first thing we want to do is just kind of open it up. So if you're using the menu, we'll click on calendar. And then decide the day that you want to add the event to. So let's use Thursday the 7th as an example. So first you click on the day that you want to choose. And notice at the top there are different options. So you have year, month, week, day, and agenda. I typically use it by the month because that works best for me. You can use whatever works best for you. So if you click on the desired day, and then at the bottom right, you click on the plus sign, you can now add a bunch of different details about what's happening. So what's happening is either an event or a task, and you need to decide which that is. So if it's a meeting, that's probably an event. A task would be like you're going to get the groceries or something like that. So let's go to event. And so let's put in tests. Okay. And the location is the street address of the event. So it's your decision whether that information would be useful. But if it is, I would recommend putting in the address as precisely as possible. So, if it's 1062 Southwest 14th Avenue, definitely put in Southwest, like the SW, because this will help your tablet know where the event is. So I'm going to put in our office address just to show you what happens. And I just clicked the little pin to the right, and it puts in it put in the wrong address. Oops, let's try that again. So I didn't follow my own advice. I wasn't quite specific enough. Let's go Longview. Hey, there we go. Okay, and then I'm going to click done. So you can see that it's showing a map location of where my event is. And underneath that, it wants to know when the event is when is it going down. So it's going down on the 7th at 10 a.m., okay? And you can set a reminder by clicking the plus button right here. And you can choose how many. You could have like 6 notifications for the same event if it's like really important. Okay, and then click on view more options, and now you have additional options. So there's 2 that I want to bring your attention to right now. One is the description, where you could add pink house or bring stapler or whatever. And then there's repeat. So like I teach computer classes every Tuesday and Wednesday. So rather than programming every single Tuesday and every single Wednesday by hand, I just programmed it once into Tuesday and once into Wednesday, and then I repeated it every week. So it's just kind of an easier way to do it. I've seen people use that also for their medicines. So if you use task, you can do the same thing. Okay? Alright guys, well that's all there is to adding the event, so let me save that. Okay, let's go back into it, just in case, let's say you need to make a change to it, okay? So I'm going to click on the day in question, and then over here on the right is the event. Now if you click on the event and then you click on the pencil, it'll allow you to edit the event. So I actually saved it as a task. So let's say I want to change the date to the 8th, okay? Then click done, and that's it. Okay, well thank you guys for watching another instructional video by Josh Carter. Please feel free to check out my website, gojoshcarter.com.